Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit and customize the toolbar in Adobe Photoshop. To start, look on the left side of the screen, find the ellipsis or the three dots, right-click, select Edit Toolbar. That'll bring up the Customize Toolbar menu. From there, you can remove tools that you don't want to use, or you can group them into different sections. Personally, I like to customize the toolbar as soon as I get a fresh install of Adobe Photoshop. That way, all of the tools that I need to use are readily available. I'll go through here real quick and customize the toolbar how I would like it. Now that I have the toolbar pretty much how I would like it, I'll go ahead and click Done. And you can see the toolbar here on the left. I can right click into different sections and select the tool that I want. You might be wondering why I placed some tools that might be deemed useful in the extra tools section, and that's because I use those as tool presets, which I'll show you how to set those up in a later video. One more thing I want to mention, if you want to save this toolbar, you can navigate up to the menu, click Edit, scroll down to Toolbar, and then here in the Customize Toolbar menu, you'll see on the right side, Save Preset. So you can go ahead and click that and title your preset whatever you'd like. It will ask you where you want to save it. You can save it wherever you'd like. You can tag it if you'd like to and click Save. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.